What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the FRS, by the title you probably already know, we're gonna be installing some Corbo, I think it's called, seats in the FRS, and I also got the mounting kit for the seat from them. So let's get into this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab a 12mm socket, and there's 2 bolts up on top, and if you put the seat back, there's 2 bolts back there. I know you can't see because it's dark in here, but let's get this going. Alright, so now that we got the seat out and everything, there's 2 clips. I'm assuming it's for the airbags in the seat and the seat belt. So once you got those unplugged, it's basically just like 2 little clips. And now I'm gonna vacuum everything out, and then we're gonna put the new seat in. Alright, so now to the seat, you're gonna have 4 Allen keys. It's a 6mm. You just want to take these off, so you can basically put the new bracket on and it'll bolt right to it. And once we're done with that, we gotta put the seatbelt on and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so finally, after fighting with the bracket and everything, it's finally in. As you can tell, the bolts still lined up pretty well. The only thing I'm probably gonna look at is a different seat bracket, just because this one, it was kind of a pain in the butt to line everything up to the seat. So I'm probably gonna research, see which bracket I can get. If you guys have any recommendations, put it down below. And yeah, I just have to get a bolt for the seat belt. Eventually I will get a seatbelt harness, so you don't have to worry about that. I know it'll look goofy right now, but yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys like this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.